Ganda ng mga bulaklak, oh. Oh. Ganda nito, oh. Ayan, dito kami sa Winter Garden. Ganda ng mga bulaklak, yes. Tingnan, ganda. May ibang klase ng bulaklak. Ganda, oh. Yee. Ito maganda to, oh. Yung red. Yun, oh. Tapos ito, meron siyang capsicum na orange. This one. Yeah, ayan.
Yeah. In different kinds. I don't think those are edible peppers. Although these look kind of like the ones. She's showing me, sending me pictures of martinis. It's nighttime. She's, I'll have one for you when you come home. I'm like, oh my God.
Ganda. Ito pa. Parang kala mo ano lang siya. Dry. Pero ito siya. Totoong flowers. Oh, yan. Oh, ito duhat. Kunong duhat natin. Yee, ito magaganda. Bango. Parang fake. But this is real. There's capsicum there. Red capsicum. Bango. Bango.